Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'll be making wall decor using Dollar Tree items. I got a total of 5 large bats and 5 smaller bats, and I'm going to be cutting the top of them off. And I'll be doing a total of 10, but I'm only showing you one of each so you get the point. Next, I'll be taking my hot glue gun and attaching the balls to the neck of the bat. And this is how it should look when it's done. And then I'm going to take my hot glue gun and do a zigzag pattern all the way down. And this is optional. I just wanted to add a little, style into it. You gotta be patient with me for this part. Like, I did mess up a little bit. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I already had this piece at home and it ended up being too flimsy for the baseball bats. So I took a lot of unnecessary steps that I want you guys to be able to skip through. But I am gonna show you guys what I did wrong, or it wasn't necessarily wrong, but I could have done it better. So right now I'm just lining up the bats on the table around this plate, and I'm figuring out the pattern that I want to do. And don't mind this baseball bat. I did that one as a tester to make sure it was going to look right, and it did. So right now I'll try to explain to you what I should have done in the first place. I do have a circular piece of foam board that I cut out from a previous project. And what I should have done was glue the metal plate to that board and then glued the baseball bats around it and connected it to the board and the metal plate. But instead, I took the adhesive and I connected it to the plate first, which was a bad idea because it was flimsy. So after I got done with this, I had to transfer the bats to the circular piece of foam board. And honestly, y'all, I did too much with this project. It was supposed to be so much easier than this, and it should be. Just take my advice and don't do it the way I did it just now. And I added screws also, but like I said, this should have all been done on the foam board because I did have to transfer this over. And this was a circular piece that I used for a tabletop in one of my other DIYs. And I'll link that DIY in the description box below. So I am attaching the baseball bats with my hot glue gun. Then I went around some of the baseballs with my hot glue gun in a spiral type of pattern, just because I didn't like the pattern that was on the smaller baseballs. After that part was done, I let it dry and then I took it outside and spray painted it metallic gold. Then I took my E6000 and my hot glue gun and I attached it. And here's how it looked when I was finished. It looks beautiful, minus all the hiccups that I went through. It was definitely worth it. Please let me know how you feel about this wall art in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you are subscribed to my other YouTube channel. I will be posting fashion DIYs and music soon. Please stay safe, and I'll see you later, Glitter Babes.